Hey, Danny here, and welcome to the vlog. And this is Project Ford, and I'm going to remove the intake on an 03 Ford Escape so I can replace the number 3 spark plug coil. This is the way I'm doing it. If you want to do it another way, you can do it your way. What's here? Feel that it's tight. Yeah. I just double checking my tension. Yep, no. There you go. Okay. All right. I think I'm getting ready to lose my Okay, now that that's done, hold on to those. I can get that letter. Okay, let's get back up again, because I'm going to have to deal with pulling that pane back out of there. First thing first, that you watched me earlier do is the EGR valve tube. Take it back up there. Line her back up. Alright. Hopefully the nut will start back in her hole. I'll get start. Sometimes it's a good idea to try and start when you get the manifold loose. Very good. What I basically did is I got up here on top of it, pulled it back with both hands. One pulled back and the other one lined it up, and then started it. Make sure you don't cross thread that thing. That will be a son of a gun. Tighten it down as tight as you can, and I just used a pipe wrench, and it did real good. Did real good on breaking it loose and tighten it up. Good idea to put some anti-seize on that thing too. Seems as though I had it. Okay, now get our little lines back on here. Unfortunately, I know when they had to replace the motor in here, they broke some of my lines off of here. Not a good thing. So there's that. It goes back on there like that. That sets. That's good there. Okay, there was that line there that got away on me earlier, right? Okay. Had another. Don't be going nowhere. In there. Ah, great. Alright. This puppy goes right here. Sweet. That. Alright. Your plugs right here to your throttle position sensor, your AS sensor. This is actually your choke. And if you have a choke, appears to have a choking system, or it's not choking, starting up in the cold, and check that AS motor. So I'll go back on the air cleaner. Hooked up, it's hooked up. Back around here. Oh God. Lands right on its sprayer every time too. Okay, that's one. Oops, I can do it backwards. That one right there. This one right here. My pliers. My other pliers. Okay. Those squeeze plugs. There you go. Right there. And the other one, of course. The other ones, of course, don't have one, you know. Where are you? Where'd he go? Where is it? There he is. He's hiding. Big buzzard right here. Oh, there we go. All right. Now we come across top here with this. Okay. Good for that, not that. No. Okay. That back in there. Okay. No. No. There you go. I'll go this way now. Okay. Oh, come on now. There. Buzzard. No. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of. Lose my battery on my thing here if it isn't already gone. No, bottomed out. I know you gotta. Screws are different lengths here. Gotta be careful. Because if you break it, yeah, it's a little shorter. If you too long, you puncture a hole in your intake cover. Not gonna be a good day. Take that back anyway. There we go. Sweet. Connect the dog body again. Oh, got it. Going with the thing for hand tight, make sure it doesn't bottom out. There you go. Didn't bottom out. No, this one's not going to bottom out. That's it. This is a short one. Alright. There we go. You still with me? Yeah, you're still with me. Alright, all I got left to do is put the air intake on here. Tighten this down a little bit more. Alright, they're down tight. Alright. Get the air intake. Right here. Hopefully I got enough to finish the video. We are. My intake back on. Make sure your mass airflow sensor is hooked up. everything. I'll have to cut that off. Throttle cable's hooked up. The cruise control is hooked up. Your vacuum inside that. So take care of that. Right now, my coil is loose because I'm going to have to deal with that in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and hook the battery back up. And as basically the only tools needed for this one, for doing this, is a number 8 socket. It basically takes care of all your bolts. And like I said, I used a pipe wrench on that on the EGR valve pipe, because it is an inch and about an inch and an eighth, inch and a quarter, and it was a pain trying to do that. So here we go. We're going to get this fired up. Basically, again, an 8 millimeter, couple extensions, light, definitely, the coil, and make sure your stuff is plugged in. Started. Again, those are my tools I needed, and then the, of course, the pipe wrench to do the rear on that. Get it started up because I'm going to have to deal with that next. Battery's tight, everything's hooked up. The hose clamps are tight on the air, and then everything back here is hooked up. And you want to be careful back down below there. Go into that your EGR tube gets really hot, and it can melt whatever's sitting on it. So got to be real careful of that. I'm not putting the cover back on there yet. So anyway, let's see how we do. Everything's out of the way. Everything's up. Gauges are reset. Beautiful. Alright. Really full. Sound nice and strong. Very nice. Nice and smooth. No stumbling. And when I pull this plug out, watch what happens. Yeah. Oh, I gotta get that secured down there. Very nice. Alright, there we go. Well, getting ready to go on me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and Project Ford. Yeah, my battery's playing with me right now, so